Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to continue with the Paper Pumpkin Bouquet of Hope February 2021 outside the box cards. So I wanted to show you a really pretty happy birthday card. I haven't put it together yet. I'll do that in the video here, but this is the basics of it. I took two of the elements from the kit, the vellum piece and then the gold die cut and a doily piece. I've got a Rococo Rose card base, and I used one of the gold edged labels from the December kit, Berry Comforting, and then I used embossing powder and the heat gun and put happy birthday on here. So Bonnie had specifically asked for happy birthday cards. She needed those. She was going to change the sentiments in her card kit, or in her kit, to make them. So I said I would do a happy birthday one as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach the gold die cut to the vellum. And just try and center it here. Sorry if you're getting reflection from the lamp overhead. If I turn the lamp off, it gets just too dark. The reason I put this on first is because I want to make sure that I'm putting my adhesive on the back where it won't show through. So I'm just going to put a crisscross of adhesive on the back there, and then I can center it on the card. Just like that. So that's the card kind of constructed. And then I'm going to use dimensionals on the back of the label. And just peel the dimensionals off. And then layer this down. And because I want it to be relatively square and I can't actually see where I'm putting it, I'm just going to use my tweezers and place it down and square it up so it's in the middle like that. There we go. So that is a quick and easy card using elements from the card kit plus a little bit of embossing powder. It's a very, very effective card. I left the greeting really simple because the rest of the card's fairly ornate and I wanted it to kind of pop out. So if you liked this video and would like to subscribe, please do so, and click that bell for notifications for my next video. And I'll put the link to the subscription for Paper Pumpkin and also the link for the Blossoms in Bloom stamp set, which is where I took the happy birthday from. So I will put those both in the description. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.